Welcome to Easternparadigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. BPF shows strength in Kokrajhar ahead of Lok Sabha polls. The Bodoland People's Front, the main opposition party in the Bodoland Territorial Council, held a massive workers' meet at Jana Gaon playground in Kokrajhar district on Saturday. The event, which was attended by more than 50,000 people from various communities and religions, was seen as a show of strength by the BPF ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The BPF also tried to project a secular image by showcasing the diversity of its supporters and respecting the religious sentiments of different communities. The venue of the workers' meet was decorated with symbols and flags of various religions, and separate zones were created for the followers of different faiths. BPF Supremo Hagrama Mohilari, former chief of BTC, along with Khampa Borgari, the former deputy chief of BTC, sought blessings by entering into each religious rooms and prayed for the well-being of the region. The BPF president and former BTC chief Hagrama Mohilari, along with other senior leaders of the party, addressed the gathering and appealed to the voters to support the BPF candidate in the Kokrajhar Lok Sabha seat. Mohilari claimed that the BPF was the only party that could protect the rights and interests of the people of Bodoland and accused the ruling alliance of UPPL, BJP and GSP of neglecting the region. The BPF, which had ruled BTC for 17 years, lost power in the last council elections in December 2020 when the UPPL, BJP, GSP coalition formed a government. Since then, the BPF has been facing defections from its ranks as several of its leaders and workers joined the ruling parties. However, today's gathering suggests that the BPF is gaining huge mass support. Is it suggesting that the current ruling party is losing public support? The Kokrajhar Lok Sabha seat is expected to witness a tough contest between BPF and the UPPL, with the BJP and the GSP backing the latter. Kokrajhar Lok Sabha seat was won by Nobokumar Saranya, backed by Oboro Suraksha Samiti in 2014 and 2019. GSP being a part of NDA and BJP openly declaring to allot the seat to UPPL. There will be a tough contest between BPF and the UPPL. This time the BPF will contest alone without the support of any alliance parties, as stated by BPF Supremo Hagrama Mohilari. The Lok Sabha elections are likely to be held in April 2024. That's all for today's news. For more such updates, keep watching Easternparadigm.
We present to you Shakti Yatra. Shakti Yatra, the ultimate travel experience. Looking for a comfortable and hassle-free travel experience? Look no further than Shakti Yatra. Our new bus service offers a convenient and affordable way to travel between Kokrajhar and Guwahati. With Shakti Yatra, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride in our state-of-the-art buses. Our buses are equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, comfortable seating, and ample legroom to ensure that you have a comfortable journey. Our experienced and professional drivers are committed to providing you with a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Booking your ticket is easy and hassle-free. You can book your tickets offline from the ticket counter near Pragati Bhavan and also online through www redbus.in. So why wait? Book your ticket with Shakti Yatra today and experience the ultimate travel experience.